you will be born.
Look in the video. We can send this to Lexi. What did you say to Lexi? Look in the video.
Her mean at me.
Look in the camera and tell her.
What do you mean at me?
What did she say to you?
Yeah, time back, and you going home. Get away from me. Well, get off of me and get out of my room.
That's what Lexi says?
Yes.
Oh. She tells you to get out of her room?
Yes.
Okay. What else did she say?
A loser. Her says a loser to me.
She says that to you?
Yes. A loser, and I don't look like a loser. Her told me I'm a whiny baby.
She did.
I don't look like a baby.
No, you don't. You're 3.
Yeah, I'm 3.
You're not a baby. You're a big girl?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I'm a big girl.